So I have these car ramps here that I've been using for the past year or so. And these have been really, really nice. These are lower car friendlies. So if you have a lowered car, you want small ramp like this. It does have a sort of like a stopper over here. And it is really lightweight, made out of like really strong plastic material. And it does have like some rubber feet underneath it. So this ramp here is only about 3 inches high. So if your car is like 3 inches off the ground, these ramps totally work for you. Just gets my car just high enough so that I can use a jack to jack up the car. So really handy little ramps to keep in the garage. They're only like, let's see, like 17 inches long or so. So really small ramps compared to the other ramp that I have. You should get one of these sets.